Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, September 17th, day before Fed rate decision, and we're going to take a look here at a couple of the trades from momentum options alerts that went out this morning. So here's what the alert looked like. Again, you can see where the email came out at 8:48 a.m. The first one was UPS, a bullish breakout above 130.25 with the initial target of 131.50. Or 30%, which we hit both of those, 30% and 131.50. It's 30% on the options, by the way. Airbnb had a bullish breakout above 120. Initial target was 121.50 or 30%, and then we had runners on that, and that played out really well. Again, hit both the price and percentage target there. And then the last one was XPEV, which I ended up getting stopped out on. Scaled some of it when we got stuck at the 950 area, but we ended up getting stopped out on that on the remainder. So ended up working out really well. Let me show you what the setups were. So here's Airbnb on the dailies. And like I said before, I'm a real big believer in breakout trades because we trade them all the time. We have like a 68% win rate, 69% win rate with them. But here was the breakout. The setup was the breakout above 120 on Airbnb. You can see we gapped right up to the trigger and then took off, filled the gap up here. This is why 121 to 122 was like that first target, was filling this gap, and then we ended up pushing all the way up to 125 here before pulling back when the stock market took a nosedive this afternoon. Then the second setup was a similar trade in UPS. This is one we've been watching for a while, and we popped through the resistance, jumped right up to our target. Again, our first target on price was 131.50. We went to a high of exactly 131.50. And then it has since pulled back, and we'll see how this closes. I might jump back in this afternoon if we can stay above the resistance, above that 130 level, get a strong close today. Look to turn it into a swing trade, jump back in. But for now, it's just sitting in our hands, leaving it alone because we pulled back pretty hard and already hit our targets. And then the last one was XPEV, and XPEV also triggered a breakout. It took off right out the gate. It took off like a rocket, shot straight up to like 950, and then pulled back. And I should have expected a 950 resistance, which again, we closed some of it in the trading room when we were hitting that 950 level, but then it just has since reversed and pulled back pretty good. So keep in mind, tomorrow we have the Fed rate decision. So it's going to be interesting to see how some of these small mid-cap companies will do, depending on what kind of rate cut we get, whether we're going to get 25 basis points or 50 basis points. But definitely be watching for that tomorrow. At 2 o'clock, and then the Fed press conference at 2:30 to see what Powell's going to say about going forward. Where do we expect the market to go? In addition to these, we also had other trades. In Intel, we had a breakout. We had Lyft breaking out. We had taken some profits out of our TLT calls that we've been in, and we're still holding Bitcoin long. Bitcoin's having a really good day today as well. But that's it for today. Don't forget, if you want to learn more about the momentum options alerts, you want to get these alerts sent to you in the morning, you can sign up for them. All you got to do is shoot a message to support@basecamptrading.com or go to basecamptrading.com itself, and you can find all the information there in the store. But that's it for today. I hope it helps. And until next time, everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.